What was the payday for Porsche's IPO? What will we see at Tesla's AI Day? And will a struggling air mobility company be able to lift off? Good afternoon, I'm Hillary Rubin, sitting in for Laura Harris. Welcome to Auto News Now. More on those stories coming up. But first, third time is not a charm for light vehicle sales in the U.S. Cox Automotive has lowered its sales forecast for them for the third time this year. And they say slumping consumer sentiment could drive that even lower. It's in part because of rising interest rates. Here's what the numbers say. Full-year new vehicle sales outlook is down more than 9% from last year to 13.7 million. Initial numbers had been 16 million vehicles. Most automakers will release third-quarter sales results next week. In other news, gap insurance in California is now banned in certain situations. A new law prevents guaranteed asset protection sales for car loans below 70% of the vehicle's value. It also caps gap pricing at 4% of the amount financed. Gap insurance covers the difference between an insurance payout if the car is stolen or totaled and the loan balance. It is often bundled and financed in auto loans rather than purchased separately. Porsche's IPO kicked off with a robust trading that is expected to raise $9.1 billion for its parent, VW Group. The stock gained in Frankfurt on the open, rising 1.8% to $81, but slipped back to its offering price of $79.93. It was Europe's largest public offering in over a decade, despite challenging market conditions. The sale will help VW Group raise money for its push to electrification. Another company looking for a financial boost, Lilium Air Mobility, which hopes to make 400 air taxis a year. The company wants to get public research grant funds, although it didn't say from exactly where and how much. Lilium is competing in a crowded market for electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicles. The sector, however, has had a hard time figuratively and literally taking off, mostly because of challenges securing certification and funding. What kind of cutting-edge tech will Tesla be offering in the future? We'll get the definitive answer to that question Friday during the company's AI Day in California. CEO Elon Musk will host the event. Invitations to it promise to show off the latest developments in the company's AI projects. They include a Tesla bot called Optimus. It's a humanoid that Musk says will one day take over dangerous and boring tasks. We should also hear more about full self-driving. It's the in-beta system that still needs an attentive human at the wheel. And also Dojo, the supercomputer that Tesla's FSD team could use to improve the brains behind its driving systems. Dojo uses massive amounts of video captured by the company's vehicles. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Be sure to follow us on Twitter at AutoNewsTV and online at autonews.com for updates all day, every day. Once again, I'm Hillary Rubin. Have a great night, and we'll see you tomorrow.